नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी चार्ट, प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 8। यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, मॉडुलस ऑफ z1 माइनस z2 इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल टू मॉडुलस ऑफ z1 प्लस मॉडुलस ऑफ z2 इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू मॉडुलस ऑफ z1 माइनस मॉडुलस ऑफ z2। दिस विल कम, दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 8। अब हम इसका प्रूफ कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, हम ये टर्म ले रहे हैं मॉडुलस ऑफ z1 माइनस z2, ओके, इसका स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर हम प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर रहे हैं, तो दिस विल कम व्हाट, z1 माइनस z2 इंटू z1 माइनस z2 कॉन्जुगेट, दिस विल कम। तो यहाँ पर हम यूज करें कॉन्जुगेट प्रॉपर्टी, तो दिस विल कम व्हाट, z1 माइनस z2 इंटू z1 बार माइनस z2 बार, दिस विल कम। इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, z1 बार माइनस z2 बार माइनस z2 इंटू z1 बार, सो व्हाट विल कम, माइनस z1 बार माइनस माइनस व्हाट, प्लस z2 बार, दिस विल कम। ओके, so this one we can add what, modulus of z1 square, here we are taking minus common, so this will come what, z1 z2 bar plus this one we can add is what, z1 z2 bar whole bar in bracket plus this one we can add modulus of z2 square, this will come. So this one we can add what, modulus of z1 square minus this is what, 2 times real part of z1 z2 bar plus modulus of z2 square, this will come. So this we can write as what, modulus of z1 square minus this one we can write as what, 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into cos of theta plus phi plus modulus of z2 square. This we have discussed in last property. Here theta is what, theta is argument of z1 and phi is argument of z2 bar. Okay, this we have discussed in last property. So this will come what, modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square. Now from here, cos of theta plus phi, this we can say that it is greater than equal to -1 and less than equal to 1. Now here we are multiplying with what, minus of 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. So this one is what, negative number. So if we multiply with negative, inequality sign will change. So what will come, 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. This is what, less than equal to, it will come greater than or equal to minus of 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into cos of theta plus phi is greater than equal to minus of 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. This will come. अब हम क्या करें, यहाँ पर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square. So what will come, modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square plus 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 is greater than equal to modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square minus 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into cos of theta plus phi is greater than equal to modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square minus 2 times modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. This will come. Okay, so this one we can add what, modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 whole square is greater than equal to, this term we can add what, modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square, modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square is greater than equal to, and this one we can add what, modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 whole square. अब हम क्या ले रहे हैं, स्क्वायर रूट। So this will come out root over modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 whole square is greater than equal to root over modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square is greater than equal to root over in bracket modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 whole square. This will come. So here what will come, modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 whole modulus is greater than equal to, here what will come, modulus of z1 minus z2 modulus is greater than equal to, here what will come, modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 modulus. This will come. Okay, so inside quantities are positive, so this one we can add modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2, this one we can add is greater than equal to, here also inside quantities are positive, so this one we can add modulus of z1 minus z2 modulus is greater than equal to, this one is as it is, modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 whole modulus. Okay, and this one we can rewrite like that also. Okay, so this is proof of property number 8. Okay, here also for equality what will come, cos of theta plus phi should be greater than equal to -1 and less than equal to 1. So these two are equal if cos of theta plus phi equal to -1. Okay, so from here we can say that theta plus phi equal to what, pi. This will come, and these two are equal, then for that condition what will come, theta plus phi should be equal to 0. This will come the property number 8. Next property is property number 9. In this property we are combining property number 7 and 8. Okay, in this one what we can do, modulus of z1 plus minus z2, this is always less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Okay, if we combine property number 7 and 8, we'll get this condition. If we generalize this one, so what we can say, modulus of z1 plus minus z2 plus minus z3 plus minus z4 and so on plus minus zn is always less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 plus modulus of z3 plus so on plus modulus of zn. Okay, so this is what general formula. Next property is property number 10. In this one we can write modulus of z power n. Okay, so this one we can write modulus of z to the power n. This one proof we can do by using property number 5, because z power n we can write what, z into z into z into z, how many times, n times. So this one we can write as what, modulus of z into modulus of z into modulus of z and so on modulus of z, how many times, n times. And this one we can write what, modulus of z to the power n. So this is property number 10. Next property is property number 11. In this property we have modulus of az1 minus bz2 whole square plus modulus of bz1 plus az2 whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square into modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square. This will come where a comma b belongs to real numbers. This is property number 11. अब हम इसका प्रूफ करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करें, मॉडुलस प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वन वी कैन राइट ए जेड वन माइनस बी जेड टू इंटू ए जेड वन बार, ए जेड वन माइनस बी जेड टू होल बार. दिस वन वी कैन राइट प्लस here also we can add what, bz1 plus az2 into bz1 plus az2 whole bar. यहाँ पर हम कॉन्जुगेट प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, az1 माइनस bz2 into az1 bar minus bz2 bar. We know that a bar will be what, a only, and similarly b bar also b only, because a and b are what, real numbers. So a bar equal to what, a, and b bar also a only, plus bz1 plus az2 into bz1 bar plus az2 bar. This will come. अब हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, ए जेड वन इंटू ए जेड वन बार. सो व्हाट कम, ए स्क्वायर मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड वन स्क्वायर माइनस ए जेड वन इंटू बी जेड टू बार माइनस बी जेड टू इंटू ए जेड वन बार minus bz2 into minus bz2 bar. So what will come, plus b square modulus of z2 square plus, now you have to multiply these two. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, bz1 into bz1 bar. So क्या आ जाएगा, b square modulus of z1 square. Next what, bz1 into az2 bar. So क्या आ जाएगा, bz1 into az2 bar. Next what, plus az2 into bz1 bar. तो क्या आ जाएगा, plus az2 into bz1 bar. नेक्स्ट व्हाट, az2 into az2 bar. So क्या आ जाएगा, a square modulus of z2 square. This will come. Now from here minus az1 into bz2 bar, and here is what, plus bz1 into az2 bar. These two are getting cancelled. Similarly these two are getting cancelled. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, a square modulus of z1 square plus here what will come, b square into modulus of z2 square plus b square into modulus of z1 square, and last term is what, plus a square into modulus of z2 square. Okay, so from these two terms we can take a square common. So if we take a square common, what will come? Modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square. This will come. And from these two terms we can take b square common. So what will come? Plus b square common, modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square. Now from these two terms we can take modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square common, and this will come what? A square plus b square. This will come. So this is your proof of property number 11. Next property is property number 12. In this property, what you will do, in this one, if I put a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, then what will come? Modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square plus modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square equal to 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2 into modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square. This will come. This is property number 12. So this we have to remember directly. Next property is property number 13. In this one, if a complex number z modulus is 1, that means modulus of z equal to 1, then that complex number is called unimodular. Unimodular.